Today I will tell you a story about Joe. Something unexpected happens during his bike ride. It is a warm afternoon. Joe is riding his bike in the city. He is wearing headphones. He is listening to music. The music is calm and slow. Joe is riding slowly and enjoying the day. As he rides, he starts thinking. Maybe I should travel more, he thinks. Maybe I can visit a new city this summer. He smiles. In the morning, I can ride my bike near the sea and drink coffee in small cafes. Joe looks at the road, but his mind is somewhere else. I can wake up early, go for a ride, and just relax, he thinks. The music gets a little louder. Joe closes his eyes for a second and imagines. He's riding his bike near the ocean. The sun is shining. The air is fresh. No stress, no work. Just me and the road, he says quietly. Suddenly, "Hey, Joe!" Joe opens his eyes quickly. He looks around. He takes off one headphone. "Joe, over here!" Joe turns his head. He sees someone on the sidewalk. It's Alex. Joe smiles big. "Alex, is that you?" he shouts. Joe stops his bike and gets off. He walks toward him. "Man, long time no see," Joe says. Alex laughs. "Yeah, seriously. It's been a while," he says. "I was just walking around." Joe looks down. There is a small dog next to Alex. "Wait, is this your dog?" Joe asks. Alex smiles. "Yeah, I just adopted him last week," he says. Joe looks excited. "No way, really?" he says. "That's amazing." Joe bends down slowly. The dog looks at him. "He's so cute," Joe says. "What's his name?" "His name is Milo," Alex says. Joe smiles. "Hey, Milo," he says softly. "You look like a very good boy." Milo moves his tail. Joe laughs. "I think he likes you," Alex says. Joe stands up. "So, how have you been?" Joe asks. "We really need to catch up." Alex nods. "Yeah, I know," he says. "Life has been a bit busy these days." Joe smiles. "Same here," he says. "Work, home, repeat, you know." Alex laughs. "Exactly," he says. "That's why I got Milo. I needed something new in my life." Joe looks at the dog again. "That actually makes sense," he says. "He must keep you busy." Alex nods. "Yeah, but in a good way," he says. "We go out every day and I feel more active." Joe thinks for a moment. "That sounds nice," he says. "Maybe I need something like that too." Alex smiles. "Or maybe you just need a break," he says. "When was the last time you relaxed?" Joe laughs. "Good question," he says. "I don't even remember." They both laugh. Joe looks at his bike. "I was just riding and listening to music," he says. "And honestly, I was just thinking about life." Alex nods. "Yeah, bike rides are good for that," he says. "You can clear your mind." Joe smiles. "Exactly," he says. "I was even thinking about traveling." Alex looks interested. "Really? Where do you want to go?" he asks. Joe shrugs. "Maybe somewhere near the sea," he says. "I just want to relax and slow down." Alex smiles. "That sounds like a great plan," he says. "You should do it." Joe nods. "Yeah, maybe I will," he says. There is a short silence. Milo sits down quietly. Joe looks at Alex. "Hey, do you want to grab a coffee sometime?" he asks. "We can really catch up." Alex smiles. "Yeah, I'd like that," he says. "Let's plan it soon." "Sounds good," Joe says. Joe gets on his bike again. All right, I should go now, he says. Okay, take care, Alex says. See you soon. See you, man, Joe says. Joe starts riding again. He puts his headphones back on. The music continues. He smiles. Today was a good surprise, he thinks. Joe rides slowly down the street. This time, he is not thinking too much. He is just enjoying the moment. Now think about your life. Do you ever meet friends by surprise? What do you say? Write in the comments. Subscribe for daily English stories. Let's improve your English together.